I'm truly honored actually, and I'm here today sharing this journey. You are asking me to share all of these things. So the
Mhm.
PMP certification is something special, but then something very different in my world. So when we are thinking to take up this milestone, I got connected with my mentor, and he introduced actually me this PMP. And then, of course, the next question is okay, from where to do? Because the PMP has been offered by many organizations, and probably you might be knowing, but then I'm here in Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Okay.
So certainly, like there are many organizations who are offering this courses and then trainings and everything. But I
Mhm.
think for me, it was very one shot. My mentor probably had done PMP with Sekhar sir and under
Okay.
his guidance. So actually, he mentioned to me that even if you are in Ahmedabad, it doesn't make any difference.
Mhm.
Probably you wanted to reach out to InfoCareer team and Sekhar sir and see that how comfortable you are doing PMP along with them, even if you are in Ahmedabad or in Gujarat or anywhere in the world for that matter. So that's how the conversation has been initiated, and we just had a discussion. Right after that, probably I reach out to InfoCareer team, and then I just take a bit of information, and the mind was very clear that yes, it has to be done. That's
Mhm.
how we just get it started. And I
Good,
think,
good, good.
yeah, and I think the first step out of this journey, my goal was like very much clear. I wanted to make sure that I clear out my PMP certification in the best possible manner. Though I don't come entirely from either IT or construction or something like that, I come
Mhm.
from a financial segment. But then after completing PMP, I think I can reflect back on the words which I hear first from either my mentor or from Sekhar sir, that PMP has nothing to do with the segment. It is all about the mindset. And
Exactly.
yeah, so after completing this entire course, this entire journey, getting the certification in hand, probably I
Mhm.
will be the first advocate in echoing this statement that PMP has nothing to do with the industry or the segment. It has all to do with the, like getting the work done
Mhm.
in a very structured way, and the thinking get is very organized, and then the confidence build up, which leads up to the complex, like we can do on the complex project, or we can do our existing work in the best possible manner. So yeah,
Okay.
I think that's how it has been started. Yes. So my total years of experience is 16 by this
Mhm.
time. I have been associated with great firms. Like I started my career with S&P Global, which again belongs to the financial segments. And then I am currently working with the Sikich. So
Mhm.
in Sikich, I am here as a manager. I am acting as a manager and leading up my roles. I do take
Okay.
care of my team and my projects. So we do have a team sitting in US and then all across the world. But then,
Mhm.
yeah, that's how my career advanced. Not exactly. So as I said, like I take up the name of PMP from my mentor who is like in Sikich. And
Mhm.
he actually did PMP and he's performing as a senior director in Sikich at current point of time.
Okay.
So we were just getting a call in our mentorship routine, at a workplace, we have mentorship things going on. So we just one fine day had our weekly check-in and we were talking that how to be very much structured. And
Mhm.
then whatever we are doing right now, it's like more or less day to day, the exact work, which is like PMP shows that what is a correct way or what is a better way of doing it. And within this discussion, he just come to me and say that, do you want to try PMP? And I'm like,
Okay.
yeah, I can think of it. So I haven't actually did a much of research. I just go
Mhm.
on his word. He was so confident on InfoCareer. So honestly, I have not taken up any different approach. I just
Mhm.
give a call at InfoCareer and then the things has been started for me.
Yep.
Yes, certainly. So what I admire the most is the very specified module wise information, like
Mhm.
to see PMBOK at a one glance, you will feel overwhelmed versus when we go on the IC Leaf portal specifically, we have the things in a very structured and organized way, like the module wise information. And that
Mhm.
actually helped me specifically just to, finish out one module, take up the test, and then take up the new module. And even like we had sessions actually 35 hours program, right? So that was
Yeah.
all has been carried out. And then after I have started going back on ICLIF and, doing the things in a very organized manner. And I think we have a Excel file which was introduced on a day one to us, like wherein we just need to fit in the data that, okay, this is done. Uh, are we on target? Are we behind the target? So I think that even scheduler helped me a lot. I have diligently followed that, and that
Mm-hmm.
actually helped me to, complete down my course in a good way. And then actually
Yeah.
I have taken up a recap entirely on InfoCareer ICLeaf. So what I
Mm-hmm.
have done is module wise, I have gone back and I have read down and I have listened down the recordings again. And then I go to
Okay.
the taking up the test. I think that actually gives me the confidence, because if I would not have been gone through the recording and taken up the test directly, I don't think it will be that great, which I had a score right now. So
Mm-hmm.
I believe the approach which I have taken, like first going with the recording and then going with the test, worked best for me.
Excuse
And
me.
then
Mm-hmm.
I really feel that when I was about to take up my examinations, I have completed all the tests. I have given the file to InfoCareer and I asked that, okay, what I should do ahead. And they just mentioned to me, they gave me a call. So, this boost up, it's not only that, okay,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
have completed your 35
Correct.
hours training, now you are on your own. That something is not happening with InfoCareer. I mean, the team has been really very proactive,
Mm-hmm.
giving me a call. I unfortunately missed few of the calls since I was in the office, but then I need to call back and say that, hey, you approached to me, but I'm sorry. And they are like very kind enough saying that, no, no, we just want to check on you. Are you
Mm-hmm.
okay with your preparations? What's going on? And that's how they just mentioned to me that, okay, now I can take up probably the different two segment as people and process.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how I have just taken that up. Right after that, they have asked me to take up a light mock test. So I think
Okay.
that's very different for me, because that's a, so honestly, I believe the things are very much better and good at this point of time.
If I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
yes, certainly. Yes,
Yeah.
certainly. So, and that's what I was mentioning, that the feedback, and getting that feedback in a timely manner is very important. I know
Yeah.
during this journey, there was a 15-20 days where I was like pushed down, and then I was not up to my schedule, which I should
Mm-hmm.
be. And then every time I was aware that, okay, if I'm not getting it done, probably someone from InfoCareer will give you a call and say that, hey, what's happening with you? So, sitting a miles away, even that's happening is helpful. And even like when I was taking that 35 hours of training, right? So I believe first and second session was directly with Sekhar sir, which is like incredible. I don't think that no one can touch him, because the experience which he carries and the way he explained out the things is just phenomenal. And along with him, I believe rest of the trainers who have been imparted us the trainings, like they are coming with the real life connections along with the bookish knowledge. So I believe like when someone comes in and read out the PPT is probably a bit less impactful, wherein InfoCareer trainers I have seen like they are coming up with the additional examples and they make it as a real life connection, which actually helps anyone to grab the things in the head very quickly. So certainly I always appreciate the trainers, the training which they have imparted, and also they make sure that they take a pause and then they ask back that, hey, did you understand, or if there is any questions. I have already taken all of that Saturday extra sessions. I think it is called as Reimagine series or something like that. I don't remember the name of the series and the stuff, but I think that is also very, very helpful, because that is exactly taking up the questions. And, like we were having a call of 2 hours every Saturday, even after completing 35 hours trainings and all of it. So in that 2 hours, we just take a brief of like 15 minutes kind of recap on the topic, and then the questions has been taken up. So when we are addressing that questions, it is like giving a boost of confidence that, okay, I know something about it. And even if I don't know something about it, I know what is my lack area and I can go back and refer it again. So certainly that's a incredible help. So I have taken up the titaniums, and again with all the
Mm-hmm.
the guidance of
Yep.
taking up the titanium, because so like for an example, for a student like me or for a person who is taking up the exam or learning out the things, for me, every titanium package is like same, like exam one, mock two, mock three, everything is same probably, right? So we don't know how does it work. But when I reach out to InfoCareer team, they clearly mentioned to me and Sekhar sir email me that, okay, take mock one. So when I take mock one, I just fill in that, okay, my time is good, my questions I can understand, I can see that approach, how to address the question, and those things are done. And then I believe if I would be not having the great mentoring in place, I would probably take mock two directly. So rather than taking mock two, I go back to InfoCareer team and Sekhar sir and say that, hey, this is done. What is next? I know it is like a multiple call I have given to them and they are like kind enough to respond back on everything. But then he mentioned to me that now take five, right? So he didn't ask me to take mock two, mock three, or do whatever you wanted to do. He literally guided me in a way that, okay, now take mock five. And he mentioned to me that even if your scores are getting down, you don't need to feel demotivated about it. You just stick to it and understand. So when I have
Yes.
taken mock five after that, it gives me a different pattern of questions.
Mhm.
And we see multi-choice questions there. And then, you have choose three out of six or whatever kind of things. So that gives a different kind of experience. So when I see all of those same kind of patterns and the questions in my real exam, the first best thing happened to me was I was not panic. I was probably expecting. It is not like a
Okay.
new cake in a world which says that, oh, I don't know what's happening with me. So that has really helped me. So if anyone is doing a PMP with InfoCareer, I would strongly recommend to go with the mocks, because if we clear the mocks in InfoCareer, I would be more than pretty sure that we are in very good position to crack the real one. So the mock tests are incredible for sure. I think so. When I take my exams,
Mhm.
I spoke to Sekhar sir on last three or four continuous days, and as I said, like I have taken up the titanium first, and then I took the elite. Elite is the correct
Mm,
word? Yeah,
yeah.
elite one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have gold pack, right? Like mock one, two, and three, and then I took that all three as well. And I
Yes.
know that Sekhar sir mentioned to me that you may see a match the following kind of thing and such kind of things. But I think if the fundamentals are clear, at least
Mm,
we know how to crack that. So that's the one
exactly.
thing. And honestly, I was like a bit of dull and down with the mathematics things. I don't know how many times I have gone through the video of EVM and the CPM and the pod kind
Yes.
of stuff. So even Sekhar mentioned to me that it's a one or two question, but then your fundamental concepts has to be very clear. If you know that even if it is like behind schedule or ahead schedule, how to crack it, you're in a good zone. You really don't need to typically do the mathematical sums over there. And that's not going to take your time at all. So I think it's like a bit small tips, but for me, it is like a big thing. And I remember I have also taken up one session which was actually led by Sekhar sir. He gave us a 2 hour session on tips and tricks. And
Okay.
he exactly mentioned that, okay, this is the way you should approach the question. This is the way you should analyze the answers. This is the pattern. And for me, I think I'm probably very blessed. It exactly worked out for me. So just thankful. But certainly, if I wanted to put something on the first is my own confidence. Uh,
Okay.
and that makes a huge difference. I mean, I'm not a fresher. I'm not a kind of a person who has a less experience. I come with experience of 15 years. But even after
Mm,
15 years, when we have the certification in hand, it is
mhm.
not only a certification which says that, okay, we know we have cracked it, but then it also shows that we know the approaches to take it in a daily life. And
Correct.
to the person like me and my career, these things are very important because I am leading a teams. I am
Mhm.
dealing with the clients. I am dealing with the US counterparts. And these all things are like very much in my day-to-day things. So
Yes.
yeah, as I said, the list is many, but I think the first and foremost things which happens to me is it extremely build up my confidence on my own capabilities and my thought process. Them are like very much happy, they are appreciative, and they have been
Mhm.
well informed. Yes, I think I would definitely always request InfoCareer to keep up this leverage of mentorship available along with providing the trainings and the coachings.
Yeah.
And I will tell you the reason for this. So I know even like many people who are like either my friends or my colleagues, they have been part of PMP somewhere, somehow in different places. And when we were talking internally, the only difference section which I always highlight is, the consistency of mentoring from InfoCareer to the folks like us. Because obviously, when you imparted 35 hours of training, 40 hours of training, then somewhere, somehow, it is entirely a responsibility of a person who is taking up the PMP. But with InfoCareer, I have seen this really different. Probably they are the more forcing factor, and which is like really helpful. So even if we are dropping the ball somewhere here or there, like we know that okay, the force is there, and they will call and say that, hey, what's happening? Even if they are not calling, I think all after sessions, like every Saturday, Sunday, one or the other trainings or recaps which InfoCareer is providing, I think this is something I see rare and less in the
Mm-hmm.
market. I don't know much, but then this is something I know it is like not always happening. So this is certainly USP of InfoCareer, I believe. And I
Yeah.
think I would be highly appreciative with a call with Sekhar sir, because I know last 2 days what level of nervousness I was carrying on, and what level of discomfort or tension was there in my head.
Yes.
And I just messaged InfoCareer team, and I messaged him as well, and I said that, sir, please let me know whenever I can talk. I know he's a person having thousand things in the hand, but still, if he's reverting back and saying that, okay, we are getting on call tomorrow at 11, that is something very grateful and very incredible thing which has happened to me. So I believe as far as InfoCareer is continuing doing all of these things with for the folks like us, it's just we are very appreciative towards this thing. Yeah, and then as I mentioned, like I really don't have much of the things which I would probably ask InfoCareer to change. Rest, I believe
Correct.
you
Yeah.
all are wonderful. Thank you. More than 10 for sure. Certainly, I think for the people who will be taking up the PMP, and it's a win-win situation for InfoCareer as well.
Yeah.
So it goes without saying, I would love to always recommend this team, and thank you.